Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Asana via Google Workspace step by step clearly. To begin logging into Asana via Google Workspace, navigate to your web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for Asana, which is www.asana.com. Once the Asana homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will now see multiple login options. Look for the option that says Login with Google. Click on Login with Google to continue. A new window will pop up, prompting you to select your Google account. If you are already signed into your Google account, it will appear in this window. Click on the Google account you want to use for Asana. If you are not signed in, enter your Google email address and click Next. Next, input your Google account password and click Next again. You may be prompted to verify your identity through two-factor authentication if you have it set up. Once verified, you will be redirected back to Asana. If this is your first time logging in, Asana may request permission to access your Google account. Review the permissions and click Allow to grant access. You are now logged into Asana using your Google Workspace account. Explore your workspace and start managing your projects effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.